Namaskar friends, I Puram Dogra on behalf of Wechitra Enterprises welcome you all and hope you all are doing very well. Now friends, in this video we are going to cover energy audits or energy efficiency checks at your site. So talking about the content, so this is the content we are going to cover. First one is what is energy audit, and then background of energy audits. We'll see the step-by-step process of energy audit, that how an energy audit is being conducted at your site. Next one is key focus area of saving, that what are the focused area where savings can be done. Next one is tools and techniques, what tools are being used and what techniques are being used at site. And I think this will be a longer video, so I'll cover benefit of energy audits and some case studies in our next video. So now talking about the definition of energy audit. So this is the definition which is being taken as it is from Energy Conservation Act. So what does it says? It says energy audit means the verification is we will go to the site and we'll check the documents data at your site. So documents will be like energy bills of 1 year and design parameters of a particular equipment. All these are being verified at site. And monitoring is will check or test a particular equipment, like flow testing is being done, lux testing, power analysis, and many tests are being done, which we have covered in the coming part. Next one is analysis. So after getting the data from your site by testing and by collecting the documents, analysis is being done, and this analysis is based on the experience and on the calculations uh, that where we can save energy. So this analysis is being done, and then all this is being covered in a technical report which contains recommendations for improving energy efficiency with cost benefit analysis. So cost benefit analysis is also there, that if we are recommending for a particular change or a particular technique to be used to save energy, then what will be the cost of that project and what will be the ROI, return on investment, for that project. So this all is being given in the report itself. Then an action plan to reduce energy consumption. So your energy audit contains all these things. Next is background. So talking about the background of energy audit. So as we know that energy is very important. It is being used in every sector, in every field of life. So energy conservation is very important, and it is a principle or it is a law that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. So if we cannot create energy, then we have to conserve the energy we already having. So in USA, the Energy Policy and Conservation Act was introduced in 1975, and in China, Energy Conservation Law was introduced in 1998. In India, Energy Conservation Act was introduced in 2001. And after this Energy Conservation Act, a governing body for energy audits or energy related problems, issues is being made or established in March 2002. This is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BE, and it comes under Ministry of Power. And this B is responsible for implementation the act and promote energy efficiency initiatives, and it is also responsible for taking energy certification programs uh, for certified energy managers and certified energy auditors. So these exams are also being conducted by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. So this is the background of energy audit. Now next is type of energy audits. There are mainly three types of energy audits. First one is preliminary energy audit, which is also known as walkthrough audit. So in this is a very basic kind of audit in which the energy professional will go to the site and will do the visual inspection of the site and will check the measures taken at site and the general equipments, and will give you some suggestions that how energy can be saved at site. Next one is detailed energy audit. So this is the main audit which is being conducted, which is also known as comprehensive energy audit. So in this kind of an audit, the detailed data is being gathered at site, and measurements, tests will be conducted at site, and after that analysis will be done and will give the report to the uh, factory or building people. Third one is specific energy audit. So this is kind of specific audit which is being done at a particular process or at a particular system or a particular equipment. So if the building technical head feels like a particular process is taking more energy, or a particular equipment like boiler or any chiller, it can be any equipment or any process is taking more energy, is consuming more energy, then he will go for a specific energy audit. Fine. Now coming to this important part, which is step by step process followed for energy audit. So in this we will see that what is the process we follow at site. So first one is preliminary planning and preparation. So once the order being confirmed, or we get the order for the energy audit, then we'll check that what kind of site it is, whether it's a factory, it's a commercial building, or is it a particular kind of industry, manufacturing industry. So what are the equipments are being used there, and which team will go for the audit, and this is kind of primary planning and preparation for the audit. Then the site inspection. The team will visit the site and check the equipments, what kind of equipments are being used there, and will collect the data, general data related to equipments, general data related to your electricity bills, process. Complete data will be collected in site inspection. Then measurements or testing. So in this process, testing using different equipments or different electrical instruments is being done, like flow testing, lux testing, power quality analysis, thermal testing. So many tests are being conducted at site, and data will be collected. Then data analysis. So we have testing data and the design data. We have bills. So we'll do the data analysis. And where is the scope of energy saving? So there's the all difference is being analyzed. Energy usage. This includes calculations, the scope of energy saving, and so this, yes, all your experience is being analyzed. Now after data analysis, report is being prepared. So on the basis of site inspection, testing, and data analysis, a report is being prepared, and recommendations from our side will be given to take some measures by which energy can be saved. And finally, the implementation. So this implementation is in the customer scope, that if he will feel that a particular measure is profitable, or a particular measure they can take, then they will implement that at site.